This video demonstrates how to install and use at PrintbyXerox app for the Xerox PrimeLink C9265, C9275, and C9281 series printers. The Xerox at PrintbyXerox app allows you to print email attachments and documents sent to your printer from mobile devices. When your Xerox device is connected to the Internet, the Xerox at PrintbyXerox app works with Xerox Workplace Cloud for simple email-based printing. For installing Xerox at PrintbyXerox app, refer to video, How to install app using Xerox App Gallery. Send an email with an attachment that contains a supported file type to print@printbyxerox.com. First-time users receive a response email with a user ID and password. On the control panel, touch Home, then touch at PrintbyXerox. Enter your email address or ID, then touch Enter. Enter your password using the touchscreen keypad, then touch Enter. Select the documents that you want to print. To modify print settings, touch Print Options. Adjust the settings as required and touch OK. To release your print jobs, touch Print. A Submitting Jobs to Print message and the conversion state appear. When the documents begin to print, a green check mark appears.